Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to mix soda ash for tie-dye. This is what you use to soak your shirts in before you add the dye to them. First, you want to start by using a clean bucket. I got this bucket from Lowe's, but you can get them at any home improvement store, and it's 5 gallons. I got the gallon jug from Amazon, and I also got the immersion blender from Amazon, and I have links for both of those listed in the description box down below, so go ahead and check that out. So I just used warm water from the tap, and then for the second gallon of water, I'm using hotter water. It's not boiling hot, but it's just the hottest that the tap can do. It really helps the soda ash dissolve. You got to work quickly with the immersion blender because soda ash has a tendency to rock up and turn into shards. So you got to kind of be ambidextrous and use both hands at once. And now I'm adding the third gallon of water. So I only want to do 3 gallons of water because this is a 5-gallon bucket like I had mentioned, and you need room to add your clothes. If you fill it too full, it's going to overflow on you. Now I'm going to test the water using these pH strips. And on the first pass, it's way too high. It's around 12, and you want it about 10.5 to 11. So I'm going to have to add more water. I'm not exactly sure why this happened this time. This is probably my 3rd time making a bucket of soda ash, and usually it comes out perfect. So I'm just going to add more water until I feel like the pH is at the right spot. After it was all said and done, I added about 12 extra cups total of extra water. Like I said, I don't know why that happened this time, but it's an easy fix, and I'm glad that I only went with 3 gallons of water instead of more, otherwise I wouldn't have had room in the bucket. This is the old soda ash that I mixed back in spring, and it's still good. Don't throw it away, you can use it for reverse dyeing. Well, there it is, guys. It's just that easy to mix soda ash. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.